Good afternoon, good evening. What's up in the kitchen? Today we are going to make breakfast, a healthy version. So what's that? So we have taken pulses. This is rajma. I have kidney beans. So I have given them 3 whistles. So it should not be totally cooked, half cooked. Slight crunch should be there. So now what we'll be doing is we will just grind it. What we have done is grinded it coarsely, not very fine, but fine. You can use a masala grinder, the spice grinder. So need not add water to it. If necessary, we will add it later on. So now what we'll be doing is green chilies, one green chili, big green chili, cut finely. Then I have one big size onion cut finely. Then you have coriander cut finely. If you like Italian spices also you can add. We shall go Indian version today. We'll be adding carom seeds, 1 small spoon, cumin powder, 1 small spoon, then you have Archie Kodam masala. So this is how it looks. We'll add 1 spoon of methi, fenugreek dried leaves. So even you can add Italian spices too if you want. Then you have salt to taste. Salt to taste. Now we shall mix it well. If necessary, we shall add water slow by slow to form it as a dough. Liquidy, otherwise your rotis will break. If necessary, you can add water, otherwise it is not at all required. It will be like a potato roti. It will be like this. Please do not add water. See, now we'll be adding half a lemon just to have the tangy taste. Mix it well. I always keep telling, please do taste your things before you start your process. So now we shall taste it. And chili. Yeah, salt is there, but we need little more salt. I'll be adding a 1/4 spoon of salt to this. That's it. It is nice, tangy, believe me, yummy. You can make cutlets with this, or you can make roti. It's up to your choice. Mixture is ready, and now we shall take dough. It is a whole wheat dough. Curd, enjoy it. So let us taste it. Yeah, just see, it's so hot, piping hot. Taste the second bite. It is very tasty. It is better than a potato parantha, believe me. Try this. Add for tanginess, lemon, mango powder, anything whatever you like. It is really tasty, believe me. Take my words and you can start making rajma ki paronthi from now. And whenever guests come, you just try to make rajma ki paronthi rather than aloo